Libre ang Directors Club at may heartwarming surprise pa. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Hi everyone, welcome back to our vlog. Kakauwi lang namin from Australia after celebrating the beautiful wedding of our panganay, Althea. Uy, panganay na babae kasi ang panganay namin si Kuya King. It was truly a memorable and emotional celebration and we're so happy to be back home with the family. Dahil sobrang na-miss kami ni na Kuya King, Empress at Athena, nagyaya silang manood ng Moana. At syempre, game naman kami. To make our family bonding extra special, we decided to watch at the Directors Club Cinema in SM East Ortigas. Mas lalo pa kaming na-bless because before we booked our tickets, tumawag si Ate Althea at sinabi niyang siya na ang magtitreat sa aming cinema tickets. Thank you so much, anak! Such a thoughtful surprise and the perfect way to continue celebrating as a family. Our Directors Club experience made everything even more special. Ang sarap ng reclining seats, ang linaw ng screen, ang ganda ng sounds, at very relaxing ang buong atmosphere. It really felt like a premium movie experience that's perfect for family bonding. One thing we really love about the Directors Club experience was the service. May complimentary Lay's chips and bottled mineral water for every guest. And if you need anything during the movie, just press the service button beside your seat and one of the staff will come over to assist you. Ang hassle-free at talagang premium ang experience. Moana is a heartwarming adventure about courage, family, and discovering your true purpose. It reminds us that no matter how challenging life gets, with faith, determination, and the love of family, we can overcome any wave that comes our way. After the movie, we explored SM East Ortigas and discovered their art exhibit. Dahil sobrang ganda ng mga artworks, napabili rin tayo. Congratulations to SM East Ortigas for organizing this exhibit and for continuously supporting our talented Filipino artists. We also had the chance to interview one of the featured artists, Elmao. Listen to his inspiring story in the next part of this vlog. You'll surely appreciate the passion and the meaning behind his artworks. Hi, thank you. Anong name mo?
Elmar po.
Elmar, taga saan?
Taga Binangon.
Binangon. Saan ang school mo?
Sa Morong po. Sa
Morong.
Ang artist name ko po ay Elmao.
Elmao. Okay, question.
Opo.
Nag-training ka ba? Or talagang
Ano po, self-study.
self-study?
Simula nung bata, ayun po. Nag-drawing na po talaga. Tapos last year lang po na-discover ko po yung style po na to. By accident. Tapos ayun po, hanggang sa nakabuo na po na maraming ganyang pieces.
Pangilan to na?
Pang third and fourth ko po.
Third and
Ito po
fourth.
yung second.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mommy Lucette. See you in our next adventure. God bless everyone!